So a quick intro to this video. I did all the planning on my computer for this trip, and what looked like a road on Garmin Base Camp, you're looking at it. So it's actually a off-road vehicle slash horse slash hiking trail, and it works okay, except it's got real deep sand in places. And the problem with that is I don't have very much sand experience, and speed is usually the solution to that wobbling around type of thing. You know, on gravel roads it works that way too. You get a little bit of speed, then it all just kind of smooths out. Well, the problem is there's a lot of twists and turns and elevation changes and trees in the way. And I'm a very long ways from home. I'm a very long ways from help. I'm in the middle of nowhere. So adding speed is kind of counterintuitive. And then the other thing is there's been so much horse traffic here, all the hoof prints. What happens is when I'm going through there, I don't have enough preload on my rear suspension, so that swing arm starts hopping and I lose traction and I lose speed, and then it starts sliding around. I mean, I got pretty good knobbies on there, but oh well. So here's some of the highlights of me struggling through this this trail here, this road. My front tire was getting low on air. I think it's just the road. Oh yeah, it's the road. Really soft. Speaking of roads, I don't think this is one. Isn't sand the whole way. Whatever. So I'm pretty sure I'm on a horse trail, but my map shows this as a public road. There's nothing that said I couldn't be here. So I'm going to keep going. See if I have a fishing pole left at the end of this. See if I've got forearms left after the end of this. As you can tell, I'm a pro at riding in sand. Hey, this looks more like a road. Okay, so I gotta go west, so I'm gonna stay off that horse trail, which is what, oh, Scenic Ferry Hiking Trail, or Sunrise Ferry Hiking Trail. So the sand over there is way deeper than the sand over here. So I was gonna say I'm gonna stay on the road, but then I see that there's a off-road vehicle path right there. I gotta go west. I got the GPS, so whatever. Still recording. All right. I need more practice driving in sand. I'm sure it's just because I'm a chicken, or I realize I'm a long ways from home with no help in the middle of nowhere, but I'm sure speed would cure a lot of my sand problems. But anyway, here we go. these hoof prints really do not help me. Make sure it's recording for this. I don't know if I go straight, right, or left at the top, but woohoo! Damn. Huh. I'm going to park in the shade and have a drink before I continue. Figure out where I am. 250th Avenue. Okay, where's that? I must be right there, number 12. I'm going that way. Number 12, yeah, I'm right there. I think I'm just going to get on 250. Because 'Cause as fun as this is, it takes a ton of time, and I'm all alone out here, and I do not have enough experience on sand. Now I'm saying this, I said that the last time I stopped too, but then I went down this trail. But I'm going to get on this road and get some miles down here after I have a drink. But that's fun.